Now, most of you are familiar with the GPS units in your car, maybe a GPS wristwatch, or GPS on your cell phone. However, how many of you really understand the true story behind GPS? GPS is provided by the United States Air Force, specifically Air Force Space Command, to the entire world. Best of all, GPS is provided free of charge. So unlike cellular phones, satellite TV, and electricity, there is no charge for the GPS utility. At the heart of GPS is a constellation of satellites orbiting the Earth at 11,000 nautical miles above the Earth, and a series of ground stations that control and monitor those satellites. In simple terms, the GPS satellites broadcast a radio signal, weaker than that from a light bulb, that takes 800ths of a second to reach the GPS receiver from space. Signals from 4 satellites are required to determine your position on Earth to within an incredible 1 meter. GPS satellites carry atomic clocks, the accuracy of which is measured in nanoseconds, which is 1/1,000,000th of a second. This incredibly accurate time is broadcast and used in many applications where performing, recording, or synchronizing actions is critical, such as ATM and cellular networks and power grids. While today's GPS serves users from all walks of life, it was originally conceived by and developed for the United States military. We use it and provide it to our allies to navigate in aircraft and Humvees, on ships, and even in space. We also use it to guide precision weapons to their targets, as well as to deliver humanitarian supplies to designated drop zones, for example. Today, we have the largest GPS constellation on orbit in history, with over 30 satellites. This is important because the more satellites we have, the greater ability we have to provide better service to those millions of GPS users around the world. So remember, GPS is provided by the United States Air Force to the entire world free of charge. It's made possible by satellites orbiting the Earth broadcasting radio signals that allow a form of triangulation. Beyond that, GPS provides highly accurate time to enable critical applications like cellular and ATM networks. It also provides a crucial capability to our military forces around the world. Because GPS service is so important, the United States Air Force is committed to maintaining and improving that excellent GPS service that we provided for 14 years. We understand our lives are made better by highly accurate position, navigation, and time, anytime, anywhere with GPS.